Hi, this is John with Online Verb, and today I want to go over a really easy way about how to make money with autoblogging. So autoblogging is essentially a website blog that you create, and it has content that is automatically added to the site. And so the nice thing is you don't have to create content. You don't have to write articles. You don't need to add videos, because the site will automatically add the content for you, and that just continues to happen in the background. And so that's what an autoblog is. The nice thing is these can be made in really any niche. So I'm going to show you a few different examples that I have for some of my autoblogs. This is a clean eating niche, and so new content, these articles are being added just automatically. I don't do anything, they just get added. And then I have some ads on the site, some banners that link to ClickBank products. This is an email opt-in, so you can build an email list. These are native ads that go to ClickBank products. Again, another banner ad for a ClickBank product. If we open up one of these and take a look, what we're going to see is you have the YouTube video on top. I need to fix this banner ad, not showing. You have some text. Again, these are native ads, with some clickbait images that'll link. These are linked to ClickBank products. Another banner ad for a ClickBank product down here. And so these are the text content is being pulled in from a article website. These are essentially paragraphs or snippets of text that are niche related. Now, they're maybe not specifically related to this video, but most people do not read nowadays. Most people, if they have an option of watching a video, they're going to watch the video. So the text content is really on the site to help with organic search tracking, because the search engines, Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc., they want text content. They need to know what your site is about so that they know how to rank it for keywords. And so since this is all niche related text content, the search engines will know what your site's about, and that's what helps it get ranked. So let's go to this is kind of a survival prepper type of site. And so you can see new content just being added automatically. Again, the text, this is the YouTube video title, and that helps a ton with the ranking. And then again, the text snippets that come in, and then you can see the different banner ads that are linked to ClickBank products on this site. So this is a survival prepper type of niche site. And then lastly, let me show you this make money online. This is a side hustle type of site. And so again, new content just being automatically added to the site. And then on this one, I do have ClickBank banner ads, but also have some other products that I'm an affiliate for that I have on the site as banner ads as well. Okay, and again, I can make a sale with any of these when people click on them. So let's go into my Google Search Console real quick. This is the site we were just looking at, the Side Hustler Online. And you can see the site, it's about 6 months old. And if we just look at the total impressions, so impressions means when people go to Google and they search for a keyword, how many times does my website show up in the search results? And so you can see over the past 6 months, it's shown up almost 27,000 times in the search results, which is pretty awesome, because I made this site 6 months ago. I literally have not done anything with this site since then. I haven't touched it. I haven't updated it. I haven't done anything. The site just runs on autopilot. New content is being added. Today is January 1st, 2022, and you can see content that was added today. I didn't add that. The site just adds it automatically. And you can see, we had a big spike, but this note says something was wrong with the Google search data. So I think this spike was probably an error, because you can see it really leveled out. But I'm getting about 100 impressions a day, landing in the average position of 14. So sometimes it'll show up higher in the search results, sometimes lower, but on average, about the number 14 position. You can see, where the traffic is coming from, mostly United States, India, United Kingdom, and down the list here. And you can also see, where are they going to? So you can see the most popular pages. This one about YouTube Shorts, those are popular, so they come here. Cryptocurrency is hot, so they come to this page. So you can see where they're coming based on, and then if we just look at the dates, you can see again, getting about 100 impressions per day. So pretty nice for not really, doing anything. I set the site up, the plugins on the site add the content automatically, and it just runs without me having to do anything. So how do you create one of these sites? Well, there's going to be several things that you do need. So there's a little bit of upfront that you need. You definitely need some hosting. Now, there's lots of different hosting companies out there. I do make websites as a freelancer, so I've worked with pretty much all the different hosting companies, all the big name hosting companies, and a lot of hosting companies I've never heard of, I've worked with before. And I always fall back to A2 Hosting. A2 Hosting is who I use for my own hosting. They offer all types of hosting, just regular shared web hosting, WordPress. I have VPS hosting with them. You can get dedicated, server if you want. But I just love, they have great speed. They have really good security built in that is extra cost for a lot of other hosting companies. And their support is great. You can see the pricing is very competitive. And so to me, hands down, they're always my top pick. Bluehost can be another good option. I think they're fine. I certainly would prefer them over some other popular names that you may have heard of before. So Bluehost can be another option as well. I'll leave links down below for both A2 Hosting and Bluehost if you decide to go with one of them. Now, the software that I use to make these sites, actually, it's a combination of a custom WordPress theme and 2 WordPress plugins that are custom coded. And these will be updated, so the 2 plugins are going to be combined into one. So at some point that may change, but right now it's 2 plugins. They work great together, and it's a product called YT Evolution, basically YouTube Evolution. And like I said, it's free traffic, it is passive, and you can make these in any niche. So this is the sales page for YT Evolution. And these, again, you get the plugins. It comes with unlimited site lights, so you can make as many sites as you want. And it comes with commercial rights. So you could make these sites for clients. You could make sites and sell them. Sell them on Flippa, sell them on freelance sites. So it could be a side business where you make these sites for other people. This is not a cheap product. If you're used to going out and buying, things for $7, $10, $12, $15, this is $97. But it's one time, and it works. And what can I say? It's to me, it's a no-brainer. It's $97, but it's well worth it. So, this is essentially just kind of showing what can happen. Is you can take a YouTube channel, and you can import that video content and end up with a website. So this is showing in the VPN niche. This is showing, you can take your own channel. If you have a YouTube channel, it's actually great. This is what I do. I have my own site set up where I import my YouTube videos into a couple different websites because these provide nice backlinks. It helps with video ranking, etc. You can do it for local marketing. So this is showing a locksmith, maybe have a bunch of videos. You can put those into a website as well. Because of the text content, the search engines do like the sites, and they will get indexed and they will get ranked. We saw that in the Google Search Console. And you can get sales that happen. So it's real simple to do. The other nice thing is Chris Derenberger, who makes this product, real stand-up guy, makes great products, and he provides all kinds of training as well. So he walks you through exactly how, to buy a domain name, get hosting, add WordPress, import the WordPress theme, how to customize the theme, how to import the videos, step by step. Great training. So don't worry about, is it complicated? Don't worry if you're not technically savvy, maybe. It's super easy to do, and he provides all the training so that anybody can do it, even a beginner. the nice thing is once you have once you've made one of these sites, it's super easy to make another one. And literally, once you've done one of these sites at least 2 or 3 times, you could have a website set up completely from A to Z in probably 30 minutes or less, because it really is that simple once you got the hang of it. And then what you can do is you have kind of an army of sites up and going, right? And the other thing is the sites do integrate with a spinner called Spin Rewriter. I own this and I use this on my websites. And the beauty of that is it takes that text content, which already is unique, because again, these are random snippets pulled from different articles and then put together into this one post. And so, but the Spin Rewriter will spin the text to make it even more unique to help with rankings. So it's not required to use Spin Rewriter, but Spin Rewriter works very well, and I think it's a great add-on to have on the site to make it even more unique for even better rankings. The other thing that is really nice with YT Evolution is because of the text content. I showed on a lot of my sites, have banner ads for ClickBank products, or even some other products I'm an affiliate for. But the other thing you can do is, because of the text content, the sites can be eligible for different pay-per-click programs. Pay-per-click programs are things like AdSense, and there's several other pay-per-click programs too. Don't just get caught up on AdSense. You can do content.ad, media.net, Magnet. There's lots of them. And so you can earn just from people coming to your site, clicking around, click on an ad, or just because of the visitors that are coming to your site, you can earn from pay-per-click. You can add Amazon. This niche probably not so great for Amazon products, but survival niche, certainly. This prepper niche would be great for Amazon products. Health and wellness certainly would be great for Amazon products. Clean eating, could be good for Amazon products. So Amazon could be another source that you use to make money from these sites. And think about it. If you have a site and you have it created and you're making money from pay-per-click, you're making money from affiliate products, maybe AdSense, or Amazon or ClickBank, even if each site was only making $5 or $10 a month, well, if you had 100 of these sites, you'd be making $500, $1,000 a month, from these sites. And that's, being conservative. What if each site was making $20 or $30 a month and you had 100 sites? You could be making $2,000 or $3,000 a month. So just think about, the potential here. And the beauty is you set it up one time. There's no ongoing maintenance that needs to happen. They just run on autopilot. I'll leave links down below. If you liked the video, please give it a like. Please subscribe so you can get more information as I put it out. But I'll put the links below to the different things that I use. A2 hosting is my preferred hosting. Bluehost can certainly be a good backup. I'll put the link to YT Evolution so you can get started getting these sites made. And then if you want to integrate Spin Rewriter, it's optional, but I think it really helps a lot. Then that'll be there as well. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you all have a great day.